Imagine this. A potential customer visits your website, downloads a white paper, compares you to a competitor, and disappears. Your sales reps never even knew they were interested. Why? Because too many sales teams focus only on the part of the journey they see, the sales call, the demo, the contract. But the truth is, most of the buyer's journey happens long before they speak to a rep, and it continues long after the deal is closed. If your sales enablement strategy doesn't map that entire journey, you're missing critical moments to engage, guide, and win customers. Today, we'll show you why mapping the customer sales journey is a game changer for your sales team and how you can build one that drives results. Most sales teams miss the bigger picture. Ask different departments when the customer journey starts, and you'll hear very different answers. Sales might say it starts with the first call, marketing might say it starts with an ad click, and customer success might say it really starts with onboarding. But here's the hard truth. Your customers don't care about your internal processes. They don't think in terms of MQLs, pipelines, or sales stages. They only care about finding what they need, when they need it, with as little friction as possible. And that's where most companies lose them, by focusing on internal milestones instead of the customer's actual experience. Sales reps often see only a small slice of the journey. According to Gartner, when B2B buyers consider a purchase, they spend only 17% of their time meeting with potential suppliers. If they're comparing multiple vendors, time with any one sales rep might be just 5% or 6%. So what happens during the other 83% of the time? Research, consideration, and decision-making, all without a rep in sight. If your sales enablement doesn't account for that invisible part of the journey, you're not just missing out, you're leaving revenue on the table. The customer sales journey isn't just about the sales call or the signed contract. It spans every interaction a buyer has with your brand, from the moment they first hear about you to the day they become an advocate for your product. When you map this journey, you're not just creating a pretty chart. You're uncovering opportunities to improve every touch point, from better targeting and marketing to more personalized sales conversations to smoother onboarding experiences. You see where customers get stuck, where they drop off, and where you can step in to guide them forward. And here's the kicker. Only 36% of companies have a process for mapping their customer journey. That means if you do this right, you're already ahead of most of your competition. Creating a customer journey map might sound overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, we've got a free customer journey map template linked in the description below. To create one, start by choosing one customer segment and one product or service. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Focus on one journey and build from there. Next, step into your customer's shoes. Use your buyer personas to understand their motivations, challenges, and decision-making process. Think about every interaction they have with your company: ads, website visits, product demos, support calls, and map them out in sequence. But don't do this alone. Involve your marketing team, sales reps, and customer success managers. Their insights will help you paint a realistic picture of what your customers experience. Once you have that map, it's time to ask the hard questions. Are we providing the right information at the right time? Where are customers getting frustrated or confused? How can we make their experience smoother and more engaging? The answers might surprise you, and they'll definitely help you improve. Turning data into action. A well-mapped customer journey is only as good as the data behind it. Tools like Google Analytics can show you where customers come from, how they navigate your site, and where they drop off. Customer feedback, both formal like NPS scores and informal like support call notes, gives you direct insights into their experience. But do not overlook one of the most valuable sources of information: your own teams. Sales reps know where deals get stuck, and customer success managers hear firsthand what clients love or hate. Use that feedback to continuously refine your map and, more importantly, your sales strategy. Why this matters for sales enablement. When your sales team understands the full customer journey, they're better prepared to engage prospects at the right time with the right message. They can anticipate questions, address concerns early, and provide value before the buyer even asks for it. And the results speak for themselves. Teams that align their sales process with the customer journey see higher engagement, smoother handoffs between departments, and more closed deals. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter, with the customer's experience at the center of everything you do. If your sales enablement strategy only covers the sales process, you're missing the bigger picture. Mapping the customer journey gives your team the full story, so they can engage more effectively, reduce friction, and close more deals. Start mapping today and watch your sales performance reach new heights. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more enablement insights. See you next time.